What is going on, fellow MTB Shredders? Today I'm back out working on my backyard mountain bike trail, and I'm super pumped up because today we're going to be doing something I've been wanting to do for a long time on my trail, really since I first built it about 1.5 years ago, which is build a flight deck, aka a roll-in. So if y'all don't know what a roll-in is, it is basically a dirt or rock or most times a wooden structure that allows you to kind of get slightly higher, so you're already at the highest point of wherever your trail system is, which for me is in this very back corner of our property. And then you build some sort of, like I said, dirt, rock, or most likely wooden raised deck that can then roll you down a ramp just to get the most speed possible. And that is what we are going to be building today. Okay, we are currently burning up a lot of brush. All the brush that has been basically piled up over in the trailhead and all along the trail. And it's a lot. It's a lot of brush, but we're gonna get there. We got a pretty good fire going, and we're just gonna keep burning. See, without this, that would be like perfect. It all has this one cut. Bro. I didn't get to see that. I gotta trim it, and then oh, this person should do it for us. Dropping.
Yeah. I'm watching you, Justine. You did? Alrighty.
Can hold 2 bikes.
Pretty comfortable.
And then yeah, just roll it. You don't really need any speed or anything. Dropping. I know. I'm going all the way.